A young son lived with his father, surrounded by love and prosperity, but one day.
Father, give me my share of the inheritance. I want to live my life in my own way.
My son, you're making a mistake. Please don't go.
The son ignored his father's warning, stuffed his clothes, and left, squandering his inheritance on reckless living. The son is wasting his inheritance on parties and lavish spending.
What have I done? I've lost everything.
As the father saw his son, filled with compassion, ran to his son and embraced him.
Father, I've sinned against you. I'm not worthy to be your son.
My son, I've missed you so much. You're forgiven. You're home.
Thank you, Father. I'm sorry for my mistakes.
The story of the prodigal son reminds us that no matter how far we stray, God's love and forgiveness are always available to us.